So tell me in basics, मतलब at least for GS जितना याद रखोगे, अगर GS वाला भी याद है तो ऑप्शनल में आप लिख पाओगे. So what is Indian Ocean dipole? The temperature difference between the two poles of the Indian Ocean. Related to El Nino, La Nina? No, independent of El Nino, La Nina. Was discovered in 1997 when India received very heavy rainfall in spite of being an El Nino year. Getting it? ऐसे इससे पहले भी 67-73 में पता था, but still it was discovered in 1997. So positive Indian Ocean dipole, neutral normal phase and the negative Indian Ocean dipole. Positive में rainfall occurs over India. Why? Because the Arabian Sea is warmer as compared to the eastern pole. Negative में droughts over India. Why? Because Arabian Sea is colder and therefore winds में there is no moisture. Whatever the winds are coming towards India. Yes, obviously some winds will come towards India, but they will not be having sufficient moisture to give rainfall in the interiors of India. Western Ghats में बारिश होगी, Northeast India में बारिश होगी, चाहे it is a drought rainfall or drought season or not. Drought does not affect that region. Understanding? When we say drought, it means the amount of rainfall which is lesser in the drought prone region of India. So this is one drought prone region of India and this is the second drought prone region of India. ये complete जो cycle है, यहाँ पे अगर बारिश नहीं होती तो we will call this as a drought. यहाँ पे भी थोड़ी बहुत बारिश होगी, North East में भी होगी, यहाँ पे भी होगी. Getting it? So can I say in the negative Indian Ocean dipole phase, there is more rainfall on the eastern coast of India due to more cyclonic activities? कौन सा गर्म है? Indonesia वाला region. What happens in the warm oceans? Cyclones. Cyclones after originating will travel from east to west. Fine? And therefore more rainfall activity. Understanding this? Over the Bay of Bengal region. This is what is the Indian Ocean dipole. कोई doubt? Just कभी भी doubt आया तो याद रखना, positive good rains over India because Arabian Sea is warmer. Negative droughts over India. And good rains over Indonesia. Why? Because the east pole is warmer and more cyclones in Bay of Bengal. Just remember this for GS and for your also answer writing. Clear? So you can take down now the Indian Ocean dipole once you have finished writing this. Can I continue? The variation in the sea surface temperature, variation in the sea surface temperature between the two extremes of Indian Ocean, between the two extremes of the Indian Ocean, between the two extremes of Indian Ocean, affecting the ocean atmosphere parameters, affecting the ocean atmosphere parameters. Ocean ka temperature is different, so the atmosphere will also be different. Ocean atmosphere parameters is known as Indian Ocean dipole. known as Indian Ocean dipole. Is known as Indian Ocean dipole. Ocean atmosphere parameters is known as Indian Ocean dipole. Next point. It is generally said that changes in the ocean surface temperature or changes in sea surface temperature is due to long wave radiations. It's due to long wave radiations. Long wave radiations that are given by the oceans, and long wave radiations which are given by the oceans will be different salinity के कारण, different colors के कारण. There are too many parameters. So इसलिए आपको कहीं नहीं मिलेगा what causes the Indian Ocean dipole. There are too many parameters which are yet to be understood. It is due to insolation, it is due to surface heating, it is due to the color of the oceans. Color darker है तो more absorption. Understanding? Next point. The Indian Ocean dipole is driven by temperature difference between the two poles of the Indian Ocean. Temperature difference between the two poles of the Indian Ocean represented by the Arabian Sea, western pole, represented by the Arabian Sea, western pole, and the sea near Indonesia, eastern Indonesia. That is the eastern pole. This event which is independent from El Nino, is also known as equino. Or equatorial Indian Ocean oscillation. Equatorial Indian Ocean oscillation. It is measured by dipole mode index. Dipole mode index. MODE mode index. Dipole mode index, which measures the sea surface temperature difference. अब बार sea surface temperature जब आता है एग्जाम में, just write shortcut once writing SST. International shortcut है, it is allowed. Sea surface temperature difference between Western Indian Ocean ब्रैकेट में longitude, latitude, 50 degrees to 70 degrees, what is the temperature, what is the Western Indian Ocean we consider, and 10 degree north and 10 degree south. Whatever is happening in the equatorial regions, and therefore it is known as equino. And Eastern Indian Ocean. between 90 degree east to 110 degree east and 10 degrees south to 0 degree north. Remember, it is not 10 to 10. यहाँ पे it is 0 degree north. So whatever is happening in the equatorial region, and therefore it is known as equatorial oscillation. Getting it? If you can remember the factual data, very good. Best हो जाएगा exam के लिए. अभी तक optional में Indian Ocean Dipole has not yet come. It has come in GS prelims, but it has not yet come in the optional. Fine. It has not yet come in the GS mains. So 50 to 70 equator, 90 to 110 equator, but to the south of the equator. Getting it? Not to the north. East side north, west side south. Next. There are three possible scenarios. There are three possible scenarios. One, neutral Indian Ocean dipole. Neutral Indian Ocean dipole. The water from the Pacific flows towards Indonesia between the islands, कौन सा मर्च नहीं अपलोड किया तो भी चलेगा, मैंने बोला है ब्रेक. What did I say? Between the islands of Indonesia, keeping the ocean temperatures normal, in the bracket warm, it is more warmer, keeping the ocean temperatures normal. Due to this, air rises from the Indonesia region, and settles over the western part of Indian Ocean. This air, this descending air flows towards India as southwest monsoon winds. Descending air flows towards India as southwest monsoon winds. Understanding? Remember Pacific Ocean, remember oceanography. This is the region of East Australian current, which is a warm current. Through the gap of Indonesia, the East Australian current comes towards the Indonesia, making this region warmer. So as a result of this, low pressure belt is created. Air from here rises due to warming, and then it will come and settle over this thing. बाकी का diagram होता तो we would have completed this cycle. But यहाँ पे this air which settles is moving towards India. So there is no coming back. Clear with this? A positive phase में winds will start blowing anomalously, means against their normal condition from the here to here. Fine. Because of this, there will be upwelling here. This will be lower. So this part will become more warmer. As this part becomes warmer, there will be more moisture to the air. It will come towards India. Positive phase. In this phase, winds blow anomalously. Anomaly, you already know what is anomaly. From east to west in the Indian Ocean. Which causes cooling of southeastern Indian Ocean. Which causes cooling of southeastern Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. Southeastern, southern hemisphere. But the warming of Arabian Sea. बिकॉज बाकी के समय इक्वेटोरियल वेस्टर्लीज होनी चाहिए. इक्वेटोरियल वेस्टर्लीज कैसी है? वेस्ट टू ईस्ट. तो ये मॉनसून के सीजन का ही बात हो रही है. ट्रेड विंड्स कभी भी इस रीजन में तो ट्रेड विंड्स होगी भी नहीं. दिस इज अ डोल्ड्रम वाला रीजन. यहाँ पे कभी भी विंड्स नहीं होगी. यहाँ पे हमेशा इक्वेटोरियल वेस्टर्लीज होगी अगर विंड्स है तो. अदरवाइज इट विल बी काम कंडीशंस. सी द लैटिट्यूड्स. बट बाकी के समय विंड्स नहीं होगी. सी द लैटिट्यूड्स 10 डिग्री नॉर्थ टू 10 डिग्री साउथ. व्हाट इज दैट? द बेल्ट ऑफ डोल्ड्रम्स. सो व्हाई देयर विल बी विंड्स? एंड इफ देयर आर विंड्स समर्स में, इट इज वेस्ट टू ईस्ट. राइट. अब क्या हो रहा है? ईस्ट टू वेस्ट. मतलब इंडियन ओशन में का ईस्ट एंड इंडियन ओशन का वेस्ट. एनामोली है ना. कौन सी? ये विंड एनामोली है ना. व्हाट इज नॉर्मल कंडीशन देयर? नॉर्मल कंडीशन इज डोल्ड्रम्स. व्हाट इज प्रेजेंट इन 10 डिग्री नॉर्थ टू 10 डिग्री साउथ? इक्वेटोरियल लो प्रेशर बेल्ट, डोल्ड्रम्स. सो वहाँ पे विंड्स होती है. सो दैट इज वाई यहाँ पे विंड्स है. दैट इज वाई वी आर सेइंग इट इज एनामोली. Anomalously from east to west, causing upwelling of which causes cooling of Eastern Indian Ocean. In the bracket you can write due to upwelling, while the temperature rises in the Western Indian Ocean, which is good for Indian monsoon, as more evaporation occurs in the Arabian Sea, giving more moisture to the monsoons. giving more moisture to the monsoons. This is positive Indian Ocean dipole. Warm pool of water and the cold pool of water. Not just India, Africa में भी बहुत heavy rainfall होगा, but we don't write that. What are these black lines? Anomalous winds, east to west. कहाँ पे blow कर रहा है? Between 10 degree north to 10 degree south. जैसे ही वो इक्वेटोरियल रीजन्स को क्रॉस करता है, ड्यू टू कोरियोलिस फोर्स दे आर गेटिंग डिफ्लेक्टेड टू इंडिया. छोटी छोटी कंसेप्ट्स याद रखो, गर्म कौन सा है, ठंडा कौन सा है. बाकी तो आप यू कैन नाउ यू ऑलरेडी नो हाई प्रेशर लो प्रेशर चेंज है, तो यू कैन राइट इट इन योर ओन वर्ड्स आल्सो. फाइन. व्हाई देयर इज अ कोल्ड वाटर हियर? अपवेलिंग के कारण. फाइन. नेक्स्ट, नेगेटिव इंडियन ओशन डाइपोल. It is exactly opposite to the positive phase. It is exactly opposite to the positive phase. When the Arabian Sea becomes more cooler, when the Arabian Sea becomes more cooler, and less cloudy, while the Bay of Bengal, while the region around Indonesia becomes more warmer, region around Indonesia becomes more warmer, and therefore surface winds blow from west to east. Surface winds blow from west to east. Promoting good rainfall over Indonesia, promoting good rainfall over Indonesia, but drought-like conditions over India. But drought-like conditions over, promoting good rainfall over Indonesia, but drought-like conditions over India. It is also associated with more cyclogenesis. It is also associated with more cyclogenesis. More cyclogenesis, origin of more cyclones in the Bay of Bengal region. More cyclogenesis in the Bay of Bengal and Andaman Sea region. अंडरस्टैंडिंग? इक्वेटर कहाँ से जा रहा है? ये कैसे एनोमली हुई? What is there in the equator? Equatorial westerlies. Westerlies means equatorial westerlies equator में है. An equatorial region is 0 to 10 degree north, 0 to 10 degree south. नॉर्मल कंडीशन में डोल्ड्रम्स है, नो विंड्स. बोथ पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव आर एनामोलीज ओनली. न्यूट्रल इज नॉट एनामोली. न्यूट्रल में कोई विंड नहीं थी. सरफेस पे कोई विंड है न्यूट्रल में. वाई? बिकॉज इट इज अ रीजन ऑफ डोल्ड्रम्स. पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव बोथ आर एनामोलीज. इसलिए तो तीन है, न्यूट्रल, पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव. जैसे अल नीनो में है नॉर्मल, अल नीनो, ला नीना, वैसे ही है. सो अल नीनो एंड ला नीना इज एनामोली, पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव इज एनामोली. क्योंकि यहाँ पे विंड्स ही नहीं होनी चाहिए. 10 डिग्री नॉर्थ टू 10 डिग्री साउथ, दिस शुड बी द बेल्ट ऑफ डोल्ड्रम्स इन द नॉर्मल कंडीशंस. Remember, both are anomalies. I have not used the word anomalous in the second, but both are anomalies. And see, unlike El Nino, La Nina, इसके बारे में कुछ पता नहीं है. Why it is happening? कितने साल बाद होगा ये भी नहीं पता. Understanding? जनरली 10 साल न्यूट्रल रहता है, 1 साल पॉजिटिव. 10 साल न्यूट्रल, 1 साल नेगेटिव. Why? The studies are still going on. The research paper I gave you is the easiest of all. Fine, actually उसको research paper भी नहीं बोल सकते. It is an answer. Research paper अगर असली देखना है तो कल मैं दिखाऊंगा. What is a research paper? What is the language they use in the research paper? You will not understand that. Which is the best book on climatology? The one I had asked you to share is the easiest book on climatology. Fine. The best book on climatology is Atmosphere, Weather and Climate by Richard, by Barry and Chorley, Richard Chorley. Chorley we study in thought. Atmosphere, Weather and Climate. This is the best book on climatology. Fine. Atmosphere, Weather and Climate. You see uska ratings on Amazon, 2-star. You see uska ratings on Amazon India, 2-star. You see uska ratings on Amazon World, 5-star. पर नीचे लिखा होगा कि this book is only for the experts. One who can dig deep in this book will get an answer. It is not for normal reading. It is for post-graduation level. Understanding? Because this science is developing. Clear? Getting it? But बस ये मिस्टेक मत करना जल्दी में, फिर सारी गड़बड़. Fine? Because then this is nothing but negative Indian Ocean dipole. Forget about dipole, etc., everything. Forget. This is the Tibetan Plateau. This is the Tibetan Plateau, not Tibet, Tibetan Plateau, right? Which gets heated up. Therefore, air from this region rises, starts going towards the equator, turn hota hai, and comes only towards India as the easterly jet stream. जो मैं black lines बना रहा हूँ, imagine that is happening in the upper atmosphere. Indonesia में नहीं है इतना complicated. Monsoons only of India is complicated. यहाँ का भी नहीं है, Australia complicated. Why? Because you see the coverage of the area. You see the area. Land and sea breeze भी यहाँ पे बारिश देगी. Fine? It goes this way, right? Equator is here, crosses the equator, becomes right in direction, it becomes leftwards in direction because it is following this way, and then it comes and settles over this region, resulting into formation of Madagascar High. It does not directly come and settle here. Agar if it is moving to the right there, it should move to the left, so it becomes leftwards. The point jahan se it starts becoming leftwards, then it settles. When it settles, it starts moving towards India in the huge amount, which then takes the surface winds towards India. Surface winds ko aap कहते हो southwest monsoon. You should have asked कि ये high pressure is here, तो ऐसे क्यों नहीं चली जाती wind towards Sahara, low pressure? India की तरफ ही why it is getting attracted? Why not towards Sahara? It is because ये दिमाग में नहीं आया. If this is an high pressure here, if this is high pressure, if this is high pressure, they are moving to the left. So by the Coriolis force, they should go to Sahara or they should go to the equator. Why only to India? It is because the Somali jet, the point जहाँ से ये मुड़ रही है, this easterly jet stream, इस point से it is known as the Somali jet stream. Understanding? So it comes, settles, and it starts moving at the height of 0.7 kilometers from the ground to 1 kilometer from the ground. Jet streams generally move from 6 to 14 kilometers from the ground. It starts just moving from the 1 kilometer from the ground. This upper air circulation of the 1 kilometer is what is known as Somali jet stream. And then it comes towards India, driving the surface winds. And यहाँ पे इंडिया में आने के बाद, it due to the Western Ghats, it gets bifurcated into two parts. Therefore, Indian monsoon में अभी हमने पढ़ा, there is Arabian Sea branch and the Bay of Bengal branch. It is because the Somali jet, यहाँ तक there is Annamalai, Palani Hills, Western Ghats का last तक, Kanyakumari तक is Western Ghats. So due to the Western Ghats, the height is 2695 meters there, means 2.6 kilometers. The height of the Somali jet stream is just 1 kilometer. Therefore, it gets bifurcated. And इसीलिए the monsoon, southwest monsoon also gets bifurcated into two parts. Understanding what is the Somali jet stream? Circulation of the air only, but सिर्फ surface wind नहीं है, थोड़ा ऊपर है surface से. It would not have been classified as jet stream अगर the surface winds की height सिर्फ 2 kilometers 1 kilometer तक होती. That is a wind. But what happens, यहाँ पे when the scientists did the experiment, they saw कि हाँ surface पे भी southwest monsoon है and देखा तो wind की height is up till tropopause. So any wind जिसका height is up to tropopause, we will classify that as jet streams. Fine. Therefore, surface wind is different, Somali jet stream is different. Understanding? Understanding, again I am telling you, it gets bifurcated, crosses the equator and then it starts getting bifurcated to the left. इतनी heavy हो जाती है कि it starts settling over Madagascar and then it starts coming towards India. Why it starts coming towards India? Because it is attracted by the Tibetan low pressure belt. Fine? It is attracted by towards the Tibetan low. And then it is driving the southwest monsoon winds towards India. Getting it? This is what is Findlander jet. This is what is known as Somali jet. So can I say Somali jet is nothing but Tej at a lower height from Africa, right? Suez Canal ही क्यों बनाया? Because in the Suez Canal, during the winters, यहाँ से ऐसे winds आ रही है. Understanding? That is why Britishers thought चलो इसको break करते हैं because winds are helping here. So Suez Canal. Understanding these things? See, had I taken monsoon just as a normal theories, stop, jet streams पे जाता, तो इतनी understanding नहीं होती. Though this is all paper 2, but you have got a complete understanding of monsoons. I have taken this in paper 1 का syllabus इसलिए looking at the pattern of the past years. See, I never thought in my life कि waves will come. मैं waves सिर्फ GS में पढ़ाता हूँ. Waves में पढ़ाने जैसा कुछ भी नहीं है. इस साल 2 गूगली, coastal landforms and waves. Understanding? So there is one trick. Once you finish all this geomorphology, glossary खोल लो सविंद्र सिंह का. Once you finish the entire syllabus and glossary में जो words तुम आपको नए लग रहे हैं उसके बारे में पढ़ लो. Phreatic eruptions are given in glossary. Spits is given in glossaries. Everything is in the Savindra Singh. That is why I said keep Savindra Singh with you as a reference book. Fine? What is spit or what is sandbar? Waves are coming, they become parallel to the coast and because of this they deposit the sediments to the coast, giving rise to sandbars and spits. Example, Sriharikota. Example, Wheeler Island. बस यही लिखना था. Therefore, such questions come only for 150 words. Glossary. After that, yes. That is why I said let the entire physical geography get over, then only you will understand this. Most of the things you will be knowing in this. अभी करोगे तो everything will be new. First study the basics and then do this at the end. Otherwise, सब कुछ नया लगेगा. अभी हम आंसर लिखेंगे, इंडियन को एडवांटेज है. आई विल गिव यू एन असाइनमेंट, द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ ग्लोबल वार्मिंग ऑन इंडियन मानसून. चलो, you only tell me tomorrow. So he is going to tell us tomorrow what are the impact of the global warming on Indian monsoon. Fine, 100%. You search it, tell us tomorrow. कुछ नहीं, आसान है, सिर्फ एफर्ट्स लगाने पड़ेंगे, बाकी कुछ नहीं. See, all this is not rocket science, you all are graduates. See, एक बार समझने की बात है और डर निकल जाने की बात है. सिर्फ ये क्या है, जो सोचा था वो नहीं है. ज्योग्राफी मतलब ट्राइब्स, माउंटेन्स, लैंडफॉर्म्स, वो नहीं है. लेक्स कहाँ पे है, दैट इज नॉट ज्योग्राफी. इसलिए लग रहा है ये क्या है. लेट थॉट कम, इट विल बी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. Solar lever summary jet, a high pressure area called Mascarenes high, causes moisture laden winds to travel northwards towards the African country of Somalia, and then towards India, bringing the southwest monsoon towards India. This low level jet stream, comma 1.5 kilometer above the sea level, in a narrow band, along the eastern coast of Africa, is known as Somali jet. So why it is formed? Due to Mascarenes high. Understanding? It is formed due to subsidence of upper air circulation in the region surrounding Madagascar. Next point. The Somali jet hits Southeast Asia Southeast Asia on around 1st of May, around 1st of May, Southeast Asia, not South Asia, याद रखना, Southeast Asia around 1st of May, and hits India around May 15th, around May 15th. This jet stream brings the winds, brings the surface winds, which pick up moisture, to hit Kerala on which June? 1st June as southwest monsoon winds. To hit Kerala on 1st June as southwest monsoon winds. देखो बहुत बार ऐसे होता है कि बहुत बारिश होती है इंडिया में, and then IMD says this is not monsoon, this is pre-monsoon rainfall. Why? Because this is one criteria. After the Somali jet comes, 15 days बाद monsoon will arrive. It will start bringing the winds, and these winds will then get, surface winds will take up moisture, and then it will hit India as the southwest monsoon winds. Getting it? So पहले आएगा Somali jet stream. Next point. The Somali jet stream splits into two branches near at the western coast of India. Splits into two branches at the western coast of India. As the Bay of Bengal branch and the Arabian Sea branch. As the Bay of Bengal branch and Arabian Sea branch. After hitting the Himalayas, it rises upwards. And becomes a part of tropical easterly jet stream. Understanding this? मतलब if you remember हमने एक डायग्राम बनाया था tropical easterly jet stream. So that is what is the Somali jet. Getting it? वो आएगी as a Somali jet. Tibetan plateau से tropical easterly jet stream is originating, but it is blocked by the Himalayas. वो ऊपर जाएगी and it will mix with the tropical easterly jet stream and make the tropical easterly jet stream more stronger. और फिर cycle शुरू हो जाता है. The tropical easterly jet stream become more stronger. नीचे जाके वो Somali jet stream will become more stronger, and that is why जून में कम बारिश, जुलाई में ज़्यादा बारिश. Understanding? जितना tropical easterly jet stream will become stronger, उतना Somali jet is going to become stronger. जितना Somali jet is becoming stronger, उतना Madagascar high and monsoons will pick up more and more moisture and come towards India. Understanding this? It is nothing but a conveyor belt. Fine? It is nothing but a conveyor belt. So इसीलिए if you are traveling from Delhi to Bangalore, Delhi to Mumbai, Delhi to any city during the monsoon, बहुत ज़्यादा turbulence होता है in the air. Why? Not because of easterly jet stream. Easterly jet stream तो ऐसे जा रही है. So flight cannot go into tropopause. Why? Because the distance is short. It is not Delhi to New York. They will go in the lower atmosphere, because if they go here, तो उसको तो चीर के जाना है, which is not possible. They will go into the lower atmosphere. As they go into the lower atmosphere, Somali jet, turbulence. You know, Vivek sir teaches economy here. So those who are not the student of GS here, he was coming from Bangalore center, and there was a sudden fall in the flight for 5 minutes. Generally, flight came down by 20 feet. Suddenly, flight ऐसे जा रही थी, suddenly it fell down. Last month, मेरा चांस था बाद में जाना बैंगलोर सेंटर. मैंने कहा बिल्कुल नहीं, एक तो मेरी पीठ भी गई हुई है, and if you are sending me to the Bangalore center, just make sure that मेरा इंश्योरेंस कराओ, एक्सीडेंट इंश्योरेंस. मलेशिया, इंडोनेशिया, बर्मा को हमारे से पहले मानसून. बर्मा गेट्स अर्लियर मानसून. अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड्स गेट, नहीं, सोमाली जेट इज 400 किलोमीटर्स वाइड, वो नहीं लिखा है मैंने. मैं डायग्राम बनाता हूँ. कैन टेक द डायग्राम. वो इसलिए इंडिया को लेट हिट करती है. द सेम डायग्राम वी हैड ड्रॉन. Reason is very simple: latitudes. Southeast Asia is located in lower latitudes, nothing else. Understanding? बाकी कोई reason नहीं. This is Madagascar. यहाँ पे Mascarenes Island. Therefore, it is known as Mascarenes Island. This entire region is in high pressure. question is why it is hitting Southeast Asia first. Remember, it is a geostrophic circulation. It will first turn to the extreme right. When it will become very stronger, then only it will become wider, and when it becomes wider, then only it will touch India. Otherwise, it will not touch India. It is geostrophic circulation. Matlab, southern hemisphere it should come to the left. Northern hemisphere it should turn to the right. It is turning first to the extreme right. And then जितना ज़्यादा high pressure Tibetan plateau जितना ज़्यादा heat होता है, उतना wide होते जाता है. When it becomes wider, then only it will come and hit India. Initially, it is very narrow. And one last statement. Oceanographers have found that due to the Somali jet stream, there is a strong cross equatorial current, means which crosses the equator. Strong cross equatorial current in the form of warm Somalia current. In the form of warm Somalia current, which causes warming up of water in the Arabian Sea. Which causes warming up of the water in the Arabian Sea. Which causes warming up of the water in the Arabian Sea, increasing the Indian monsoon. Increasing the Indian monsoon. Understanding? ये जेट स्ट्रीम आ रही है तो यहाँ का गर्म पानी कहाँ पे आएगा? Towards the Arabian Sea, thus increasing the monsoon. So that is, I'll stop here. Getting it? So tomorrow we will discuss what is the effect of the monsoons, global warming and monsoon. बस एक small topic, वो भी open-ended topic है, and we'll start with the jet streams. Understood this? रिवाइज करो, नहीं तो भूल जाओगे. इजी है बट बार बार रिवाइज करना पड़ेगा. If you have any doubts, you can come early tomorrow. I will not go home. फिर से वो मिस्टेक नहीं करूँगा.